This is a legal assembly. We are protesting about jury annulment at the courthouse.
What seems to be the problem, Commander Lopez?
Where is the right here?
Damn it, I think my cigarette's stuck there.
Green L&M? Hey, green L&M?
Yeah, oh, okay.
This is a legal protest and you are interfering with our liberty. This is a protest and a legal assembly. We have the right to it protected by a federal injunction. This is a legal assembly. You pastors are interrupting our assembly. This is what freedom of speech looks like. This is what a protest looks like. This is what democracy looks like. And you are interrupting once again. This is a jury nullification protest. We are protected by law. This is a nation of law, and we are adamant that you enforce the law and you not violate the Constitution. This is our right to do this.
That's not
I
a
don't know what they're
conference.
teaching you in police school, but this is free speech. This is
Take
free
what you
speech.
own
We
and
have the
what you
right
can't.
You got nothing to say now, huh, Lopez?
Right?
And we made
After what happened in court?
Commander Lopez in U.S. District Court yesterday. We came off as an
You and your goons need to go.
Walking on a thin line. Walking on a thin line.
You guys are already in deep shit, creating a bigger hole for yourselves.
So we have the right to be here, and we resent the fact that you come in here in military uniform trying to intimidate us. We